So in the previous video, we made the distinction between a statistic and a parameter. A statistic will describe a sample. A statistic used to get an idea about a sample. Then a parameter is used to get an idea about the population, which includes sample. එතකොට මේකේ statistics වල අපි ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැනටමත් දන්නවා, you will know about mean, median and mode, then standard deviation, sample size and all. එතකොට මේවා represent කරන symbols අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දැනගන්න ඕනේ. පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. දැන් A level මේ ටික පොඩ්ඩක් interchangeably පාවිච්චි කරන කියලා පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා. නමුත් මේවට special meaning තියෙනවා associated with the symbols. Right. So if you want to describe the mean value of a statistic, the mean value of a sample, we use x bar. Right over here, x bar. X bar represents the mean of a sample. Then capital S here represents the standard deviation of a sample. Right, standard deviation of a sample, and simple n over here describe the sample size. Sample size. එතකොට on the left hand side, left the right the කියලා මට sure නෑ හරි. එතකොට මේ පැත්තේ මගේ නම් left. So mu over here, mu represent the mean of the population. Mean of the population, and sigma represent the standard deviation of a population. Then capital N represent sample, not the sample, the number of the population size. This is the population size. This is the sample size. Simple N, capital S, sigma, then x bar, then mu. So these symbols are used to describe a sample or a population. तर මේවා පාවිච්චි කරලා අපිට ideas ගන්න පුළුවන් population එක ගැනයි sample එක ගැනයි. Right, thank you.